Adding and subtracting integers. Calculate the indicated sum using movements on a number line. Positive 5 plus negative 2. We're going to use a number line shown below to calculate this sum, and the sum is just the answer to an addition problem. To use the number line, first we're going to locate positive 5 on the line. And positive 5 is right here. Remember that all of the positive numbers are to the right of the 0, and all of the negative numbers are to the left of the 0. Now that we found positive 5, I'm going to add a negative 2 to it. So that means I'm going to move to the left 2 places. Because negative movements are indicated by moving left on the number line. So when I move 2 places to the left, I'm at the number 3. And 3 is my answer. So the sum of positive 5 plus negative 2 equals positive 3. We can write this as plus 3 or just a regular 3. Either answer will work. Rewrite the following subtraction problem as an addition problem and then find the answer. Positive 13 minus negative 3. We'll use the definition that A minus B equals A plus negative B. In other words, we're going to keep the first number, which is a positive 13, change the subtraction sign to a positive sign, and then take the opposite of the second number. So the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Now we have 13 plus a positive 3, which is the same as 13 plus 3. And 13 plus 3 is 16. So our answer is 16 or positive 16. These are both the correct answer, and they mean the same thing. Rewrite the following subtraction problem as an addition problem and then find the answer. Positive 4 minus positive 13. So again, we want to keep the first number, which is a positive 4, change the sign to an addition sign, and then take the opposite of the second number. And the opposite of positive 13 is negative 13. So this is the same as 4 plus negative 13. And this equals negative 9. Another way to think about this is when adding one positive and one negative, we can subtract the larger number from the smaller number and then take the sign of the larger number. You can also do 4 plus a negative 13 on your calculator, and you'll see that you'll get the number negative 9.